Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Today I'm going to be teaching you about relative extrema. So, relative extrema is how you find your maximum points and your minimum points. So, your maximum is the highest point in your graph, and the minimum is the lowest point. Okay, I'm going to do an example. So, f of x is equal to negative x cubed plus 7x squared minus 11x plus 111. The first rule is that you have to differentiate f of x. So f dash x is equal to negative 3x squared plus 14x minus 11. Second rule is you have to equal your equation to 0 to find the roots. To find the roots of the equation, you use the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation can be found anywhere in your slides or in the internet, no worries. And so that means that the x equals 1 and x equals 11 over 3, your roots. The third step is you make a graph. So in the corner, you put x, then you put negative infinity, 1, 11 over 3, and then positive infinity. On the other side, you put f dash x and f of x. So first I'm going to go through negative infinity. Negative infinity is anything below your first root, so 1. It can be 0, it can be negative 1, it can be negative 34, it doesn't matter. I'll use 0. So you put 0 into your f dash x equation. So negative 3 times by 0 to the power of 2 plus 14 times by 0 minus 11. And that should equal just negative 11. And because it's a negative, you put negative in your table. After, I'm going to go through the values in between 1 and 11 over 3, so the values in between your roots, 11 over 3, and also positive infinity, which is anything above 11 over 3. So I put those values into f dash x, and I get 0, a positive value, 0 again, and then a negative value. Because I have a negative value, I draw an arrow that's going downwards. The positive value, I draw an arrow going upwards, and then again, downwards. As you can see, this kind of looks like a slope, a little graph. So I draw it out. The lower part is your number 1, and the higher part is 11 over 3, which means that 11 over 3 is your maxima, and your 1 is your minima. Thank you guys for watching. My DMs are always open for anybody, for any questions. Please don't hesitate to ask. I'm always free, and I'm always happy to help.